Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X1 versus the Volvo XC60. These two luxury compact SUVs are popular choices, each offering a unique driving experience. We'll dive into their key features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and preferences. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer capable engines. The BMW X1 xDrive 28i comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 241 horsepower. It's known for its athletic handling and engaging driving dynamics. The Volvo XC60 B5, on the other hand, features a 2.0-liter turbocharged mild hybrid engine with 247 horsepower, providing a smooth and responsive ride, focusing more on comfort and stability.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this video and finding the information useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Also, for quick recommendation, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or on a road trip. You can find the link and other exclusive deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, both the X1 and XC60 deliver a luxurious experience. The BMW X1 boasts a modern cabin with a 10.7-inch media screen and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, offering a driver-focused layout. The Volvo XC60 provides a sophisticated interior with a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen, integrating Google services for intuitive use. Both SUVs prioritize comfort, high-quality materials, and comprehensive safety features to enhance your journey. For practicality, the BMW X1 offers 25.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 58.7 cubic feet with them folded. The Volvo XC60 provides 22.4 cubic feet, growing to 63.3 cubic feet. In terms of fuel efficiency, the X1 has an EPA estimated 25 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway, slightly better than the XC60 23 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.